Okay, so this is chapter 10. It looks at reading from files and writing to files and exception handling and storing data in JSON format. So first we see just reading from a file, putting down the path, and then the contents. Um, is just reading the text from the path which we specified, and then we break it up into lines by content split lines, and then just um, printing uh, line for line. Um, yeah, if the line is, why are we replacing line? Well, yeah, just printing each line there. Okay, another way of doing it is same thing as above, but we're doing this in one line, four line in contents or split lines. Um, we are replacing Python by Java. So now reading from a text file, let's just say line replace Python Java. It's the same thing. I don't know why it's double. Anyway, so now we're gonna write. So we just have an input asking for name. And we guess that should be guessed. But anyway, so it's just a text file specifying the path, and then to that path we write in text and name input. Okay, here we got enter your name and exit to quit. Got a guest, it should be guest book, I'm sure. And then active true. While active, we're asking for more names, and we keep adding the total added input get incremented by the name input. So if it is quit, it goes into else statement, which makes active false, and then it goes outside the while loop. And yeah, we write to the file total inputs all the names. Here we've got try, where we're trying and catching or yeah, well, except expecting if a error happens, in this case value error. So we're trying to get two numbers from the user, and we print the sum of the numbers. But if they enter a letter or something, it's going to catch or go into this except piece, and then just print out and then enter a number. Okay, here we got it in a while loop. First number, so we enter a number again. If it's not, if it is Q, then we break, try converting the number to float. Again, if it's not a number, we're printing out the number. Answer gets increments every time you add a number. We print, and it's going to add it all the time, and print the big answer at the end. Okay, here we got the string cat names. we specify a path, cat. We're adding a couple of cat names to the variable cat names, and then we're just writing to that text file. Same with dogs. Dog names get written to the path we specified. And then we are, let's get, so here we trying to read from the path, but you'll see the name is called cats1, which is not valid, so it's going to go into this file not found error and just print there's no such file. Same with dogs. It should read fine if it should say dogs. It says dogs1. So again, it's not going to read. It's going to get the file not found error again. Okay, so now we're trying just to fail silently. Cat1 doesn't exist, so the reading is not gonna work. So it's gonna go file not found. You just pass, which doesn't do anything. It just goes out of the try. Same with this one. It's gonna try to read, so it's gonna fail on file not found error. It's just gonna pass. Okay, here we asking the user to enter a couple of things: name, surname, age, and we creating a dictionary with those information, specifying a path, person, JSON file, then we dumping that person into contents, then we writing to that path the content. Now just to read it, again we just specifying the path, contents with file read text, so it's just getting the contents, and then we're converting to a JSON by saying JSON.load the contents. That goes, so person1 is now a JSON. Then reading the value, we can use a for loop with key value pairings. So it's just for key value in person items. It prints out the key and the value. Another way of doing it is printing, and then you got your object or your JSON, and then the key value, the key for the different variables in the person JSON. Yeah, so that's chapter 10.